Hey, so if Darktable is not opening, like it crashes, won't launch, or just shows a blank screen, yeah, don't worry. This is a common issue and usually fixable. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix Darktable not opening in 2026. First thing, restart your computer. This clears temporary system errors that may block Darktable from opening. Next, try running Darktable as administrator. So this gives the app full permission to launch properly. All right, check if Darktable is already running in the background. I mean, sometimes it opens, but stays hidden or stuck. Now update your graphics drivers. Outdated GPU drivers can prevent Darktable from starting. Next, reset Darktable settings, so corrupted configuration files can stop the app from opening. All right, reinstall the software. I mean, this fixes missing or broken installation files. And yeah, make sure your system supports it. Low RAM or unsupported OS versions can cause launch issues. So that's how you fix Darktable not opening. Once fixed, it should launch normally and work smoothly again.